If you are producing written work or drawings and images for your teachers and still want to be able to submit this work in a way that the teacher can write on and give you feedback on, then one way to do this is by using the OneDrive app and scanning your images in there instead of taking photos with the camera. To do this, you could open the OneDrive app, choose the folder that you want this to be saved in. Good practice is to make sure you have a folder for each of your subjects. Choose that folder, and in the top right hand corner you will see the plus icon. Tap on that and you will get these options. If you then select scan, selecting scan will bring up the camera, and you then position your work underneath the iPad, and a blue outline will appear on what is selected in the screen. When you're happy, press the camera button to take the picture. If there are shadows, this will be rectified in the next step, as we can apply filters to the work. To do this, if we look at the bottom left of the screen, next to the camera icon, you'll have one that says filters with 2 circles. Tap on that and you can select the different options until you find the one that you think is clearest to be able to be submitted to your teacher. When you're happy, press the down arrow, it's just above the selections, and you have the option to rotate your work, and you can add any extra text or write up on that if you so wish at this point. When you're happy, select done. Then at the top where it says scan from, add a file name. Good practice is to call this something to do with your name and the task that you are writing. Make sure the right folder is still being selected with the little blue tick on the right hand side, and when you're happy, the top of the white box on the right hand side, tap the blue tick. This will save it right into that folder that you've picked, and this is now ready to be shared with your teacher. You can add this PDF file that has been made into your team's submission assignment, or if your teacher has asked and allowed you, you can share this with them by pressing the 3 dots on the right hand side of the file, selecting share at the top, and here you can put in your teacher's email address or name, and they should appear on the options list, and then tap on send. This will send a link to your work and they can edit that, and you will see any changes or comments that are made on your work.